that. I'm asking about trabaho.
Di ba nilinaw?
Oh, sige. When you grow up, what do you want to become? You want to become ano? You want to become? When you grow up.
Ano ulit? Paglaki?
Oh, paglaki mo, anong gusto mo maging? Gusto mo maging?
Policeman!
Policeman. Very good. Who dreams of becoming a policeman when you grow up? Ay, pati girls, marano? Sige, what do policemen do? What do they do? Anong ginagawa ng mga policeman?
Natutulog sa party!
Hindi, Django! Not that! Ano ginagawa ng policeman?
Natutulog sa kotse!
Hindi! Hindi! They're catching? Nanguhuli na? They're catching? Nanguhuli ng mga pangit! Nanguhuli ng pangit? Sino yung pangit? Ikaw! Django, puro makalamuhan. Anyway, they're catching criminals.
Yan ba yun?
Oo. But being a policeman is dangerous, right? Delicado. Dangerous, why? Because you might get shot. Pwede kang? Yes, pwede kang mabaril. You can get shot.
Ay, ayoko na!
Oo. Pwede kang mabaril ng mga bad guys, tama ng criminals.
Ayoko na mag-police!
Oo, delikado, right? Pwede mabaril ng criminals. Oo.
Ayoko na mag-police!
Ayaw na. What do you want to become na, Django? Ano na yung gusto mo? Gusto mo na maging
Kriminal!
Ano criminal? Django! Ano to yun? Django! Ano ka kalokohan? O sige, Django! Ano ba yan? Are you studying?
Oh yeah!
Sige, niga. What's your favorite subject?
Recess!
Ano recess?
I like to eat!
Hindi. O sige, aside from recess, what's your favorite subject? Kung hindi recess, ano?
Dismissal! Uwi ka na! Django!
Hindi yun! O Django!
Ano yan?
Sige, Django. What is your favorite subject aside from dismissal? Aside from recess? Ano? You want?
Lunch.
Yun, sinabi niya. I want lunch!
Bakit?
I want to eat!
O sige, what do you eat? What do they eat? Banana? Django, do you eat banana?
I like to eat
O sige, na banana.
hotdog!
Django, you like to eat
I like to eat
ng banana.
hotdog!